Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
You know, the gas prices are going up and our temperatures are going down. Look at this, 36 degrees. In fact, I read where the price of gasoline is going to be $3 a gallon by Thanksgiving of this year. 36 this morning, 53 on the afternoon high. Both numbers way below the normals of 47 and 66. The record, though, 20 degrees back in 1962. Thankfully, not anywhere near that, and no rain today. And we've had quite a bit for the region. So again, beautiful rain here yesterday. Wind chills in the 30s. That's what's going on here tonight on the big weather story. There is a light freeze expected inland tonight. That's between 32 and 30 in most areas. That's a light freeze versus a hard freeze, which is generally 28 or less. And then milder with more sun Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So we've got 4 great looking days coming up. Tomorrow, not so much. I'll explain why in a moment. Mainly dry through Saturday, not seeing any appreciable rainfall this week. Right now we do have these clouds outside. And again, there are some holes, there are breaks in the overcast, if you will, but those clouds will help a little bit tonight in keeping our temperatures otherwise colder. We're still 50 degrees and mostly cloudy right now. The dew point is 34. Now, if everything stayed the same, that would be our low temperature tonight, but we'll dry out a little bit more with north winds, and that will result in colder temperatures away from the water. Again, the wind is the key to our forecast because we have something called Nueces Bay and Corpus Christi Bay here, and the wind's going to come right across that, so it's not going to freeze in the city because of this feature. If the winds were calm tonight, kind of like they're going to be tomorrow night, it would be a lot different. So here is the dog walking forecast, and you want to bundle up. The dog too, as a matter of fact, unless you have a big dog like that. But you want to bundle up because temperatures will be down to 41 by 11 o'clock tonight. We'll see fair skies, but a north wind at 9 miles an hour. Again, cold air that's invading the region would just as soon have no wind at all in order to drop our temperatures below freezing tonight, and we're not going to see that. So with the wind blowing a little bit, that elevates our temperatures just a bit because you get mixing going on in the atmosphere. Also have this little disturbance out to the west here indicated by those white clouds, and that's going to produce a little bit of cloud cover here overnight and tomorrow, as you can see at 11:30 in the morning and again in the afternoon. A mix of sun and clouds during the day. Then it clears out, so it's going to be real cold again on Wednesday morning. Lots of sunshine by Wednesday afternoon. With all this in mind, there's a freeze warning out till 9 o'clock tomorrow morning for all of the inland sections of the coastal bend and the Chris 6 viewing area. It does not include the immediate coast. This is the downtown area, which is not involved. And here's where the airport is located. So everywhere east of the airport is not in the freeze warning, as you can see there. 50 degrees in Corpus Christi right now, 47 in Beeville. Temperatures will plummet after sunset tonight. But here's the wind forecast. Again, you can see these northerly winds continuing right on through 7 in the morning. So the bay, again, gives us some protection there from a freeze. The winds will be light during the day tomorrow, and look what happens on Wednesday morning. The winds are off the land and not off the water at all. The bay doesn't enter into it. So tomorrow morning is also going to be cold along with Wednesday morning before the afternoon gets great. So here we go with the morning low temperatures. 40 in Port Aransas, 39 in Flower Bluff, but 33 at the airport, 31 in Sinton. All the inland areas are going to freeze tonight, and then close around the bay, 32 for Portland, 33 in Aransas Pass, but there's the bay waters, 37 on the south side of town and 38 in the central part of the city, and it will be gorgeous here again as we move from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'm not sure why we're not getting the 7-day forecast to pop up here. And there it is, believe it or not. Let me show you this real quick. 60 on Wednesday, 72 Thursday, a dry front Friday, 66, and then the weather deteriorates a little bit and on the cool side for the upcoming weekend. Katya.
Oh, those technology issues. All right, thanks, Dale.